One of these words is about what you are doing. The other is about who you are becoming. Able and capable look like synonyms, but they carry a completely different weight. One is a snapshot. The other is a blueprint. Think of able as a green light. It's functional and immediate. She is able to fix it. Means she has the tools and the time. Right now, it's an adjective of action. It answers the question, can you do this task at this second? But capable, that's an adjective of character. It's about your potential. When we say someone is capable of greatness, we are talking about their skill, their intellect, and their hidden power. You can be capable of leading a nation, even while you're asleep. It's about your capacity. Able is the verb. Capable is the value. You are able to read this because you have eyes. You are capable of understanding it because you have a mind. One is about your ability to perform. The other is about your power to achieve.